How many numbers are there from 700 to 950? 700 including both. So lowest value is 700, highest value is 950. So total numbers are highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Number of numbers from lowest value to highest value is given by highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 950 minus 700 plus 1. Totally 251 numbers are there. In that 251 numbers, what all we require? Numbers which are neither divisible by 3. Out of 3 numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. Out of 7 numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 6. 3 sevens are 21. 21 ones are 21. 41. 21 ones are 21. 21 nines are 189. So 200 it is there. So answer is 11.9 into 12. 11.9 is closer to 12. 12 12s are 144. A 5-digit number is there which is 535AB. This number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. This number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. What is the value of a square minus b square plus ab? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of, okay, we will take divisibility rule of 3. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus a plus b. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus a plus b, it should be divisible by 3. That means a plus b can be 2, 13 plus 2, it is 15, right? Or 13 plus 5, 18, it is divisible. 13 plus 8, 21, it is divisible. 13 plus 11, 24, it is divisible. 13 plus 14, 27, it is divisible. 13 plus 17, it is divisible. A plus b can take 2, a plus b can take 5, a plus b can take 8, 11, 14 and 17. What is the divisibility rule of 7 and 11? Take a group of 3 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively, plus and minus. 5ab minus 53 should be divisible by 7 and 11. 5ab minus 53, it should be divisible by 7 and 11. Any number which is divisible by 7 and 11 is 77. 77. What is the multiple of 77? Closer to 500. 77 sevens are 77 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 539. So 5ab will become 539 plus 53. That means it will become 592. 592. That means a value will become 9, b value will become 2. A value 9, b value 2. Divisibility rule of 7 and 11 is start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. A is 9 and b is 2. 9 square minus 2 square plus 9 into 2. So it is 81 minus 4, 77 plus, it is square root is not there. 77 plus 9 2s are 18. 77 plus 18. Answer for this question is 95.